The bell tower of Dominican Cathedral of St. Nicholas every tourist can see from every corner of Old City. Initially it was built in 14th century. Also when Ottomans conquered Kamyanets-Podilsky, this cathedral was rebuilt into the mosque, and then lately in the beginning of 18th century both returned back the city. The cathedral also was returned back to a Catholic cathedral. As we see on the video now, it's under the reconstruction, and I hope during 1, 2, 3 years, I don't know, it will be absolutely 100% renewed. Now they renewed only the central part of the cathedral. Further around the corner at the Armen Square, there is the former there is an art gallery in the former building of Podolsk Seminary. At the first room it's forbidden to make video and photo because there are icons, but you can make photos and videos in another rooms, 6 rooms. So the museum is very small, but the entrance is cheap. So you can spend here 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Generally there are old furniture and paintings of local author Alexander Gren. I don't know this style, but as for me, I like it. Very non-standard, let's to say. And yes, and before the revolution there was a seminary, and lately local Soviet authorities, they located here some factory. And only in our days here was founded a museum, established a museum. And I found here very small and interesting sculpture under the name Monk with a basket. And what is inside the basket? There is a lady. Art Gallery, Kamyanets-Podilsky city.